Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and in today's video I am going to show you how I have put together my simple modern spring summer centerpiece. I am going to be using some succulents and some, I guess you might say it's seaweed that I picked up from the Sea Gallery, and it is going to be perfect for my spring and summer. Today's video is part of a collaboration that I am co-hosting with some fabulous ladies here on YouTube, and we are part of the Home Decor Luxe Club. The Home Decor Luxe Club is hosted by Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living, and her co-hosts are Kimberly Davis from A Blessed Home, Anne by Glam Designs by Anne, Candy of DIY Designs with CCW, Antoinette from Ant's Place, Simone from Creations by Simone, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. We are celebrating the National Home Decor Month, and we are creating a video for you each Saturday. So now we are going to use these succulents to finish off our succulent garden, and we're just going to place them around randomly in our succulent garden. So I'm going for a very modern aesthetic. Very botanical feel and look. I'm just going to set these around. Try to make it a little cohesive all around the table. This one over in this corner, and take this one. Actually, no, I think I'll take this and sit it over here so that it mimics our opposite end. And then we just have these two left. So we'll spread these out, and then I'll come back and show you our finished look. Alright, so this is how our succulent garden turned out. I absolutely love it. It's very modern, simplistic in design, perfect for my space, and complements the decor in my home. I just love these. I don't know, they're like succulents to me. I picked these up from Sea Gallery last year, I believe. On clearance, there were a pack of 3. Oh, actually no, I had to buy them separately, and I want to say they were probably about $10 a piece. which is not a bad deal. I love Z Gallery's foam florals, and this botanical succulent like leaf I absolutely fell in love with last year, so I had to have it. Now you guys have seen this tray on my table many times before. I bring it out every spring and summer, and it's actually not a tray, it's a wood sign that was a farmhouse sign that I picked up from Home Goods on clearance that I just painted black, and I have been using it for the past 3 summers. And I just add in some white rocks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and then I added in some succulents. And guys, if you don't know about drugstores like Walgreens and Rite Aid, they also sell home decor, and I picked up a lot of these succulents from those stores when they were on clearance. I also picked up some from Michael's when they were on clearance. So I always tell you to always shop off season to get your best deal and get more bang for your buck. And that is what I've done. These little white ceramic vases, I actually picked those up from the Family Dollar. Also on clearance, they were $5 a piece. So a very budget friendly centerpiece, and in my humble opinion, I think it looks a lot more expensive than what it really cost. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my modern spring centerpiece using succulents. I absolutely love the look. So I want to thank Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living. This video is part of the Luxe Home Decor Club. We are a group of ladies who are celebrating National Decorating Month for the month of April, where we will bring you a video each Saturday. So this is the 3rd Saturday, and this is our 3rd video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, I would greatly appreciate if you become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family and hit that subscribe button. I hope you have enjoyed, my friends, and I will see you in the next one.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean, love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time, I think you mean a buyout, 'cause it's pretty clear you're on your